Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about the reordering from portal. So reordering from a portal is a feature that is offered by Odoo website, and it is specially used by the customer for repurchasing the item that is previously bought from the company's online customer portal. So the customer do not need to search for the item again or re-enter it multiple times. Instead of that, they can just look for the previous purchase that they have made in the company's online customer portal, and they can just enter it from that. So this also reduces the errors while making manual entry, and this is one of the convenient way to make a purchase faster and more efficient. So let's see how can we manage the reordering in Odoo 17 website module. To manage with the reordering from portal, we can just enable this feature from the configuration settings of Odoo website. This allows the customer to add products from previous order in their cart. Now we can see the changes that we have made, and let's move on to the shop. In order to move on to the shop, you can just click on the site and choose the submenu homepage, where you can find the shop over here, and you can choose the product. So here the customer just need to buy multiple products, which is customizable desk and conference chair. So the customer is just going to choose different products with the quantity. And in order to add the item into the cart, you can just choose the button Add to Cart. And here you can see that a wizard is popped over here. And here you can also see the available options. Now, if we just want to add the available options, we can also add the item into our cart. And now let's proceed to checkout. And here you can see now currently we have just added 2 items instantly to the cart. And you can also find the suggested accessories. So if the customer wish to buy the suggested accessory, the customer can just go with Add to Cart button, and that will be add to the cart. And now the customer is just going to make the payment. So here we can just go with checkout, and here you would be able to find that the payment method that is chosen, and we can just go with pay now. And you will be see that the payment will be successful, and you will get a message over here. So we have just done with our payment, and the customer just thought of repetitive purchase of the same item. So the customer do not need to manually enter all these products. Instead of that, they can reorder the product from the customer portal. So in order to move on to the customer portal, here you can see Michelle Admin, and where he can just move to his portal, which is My Account. And here you would be able to find all the sales order, quotations, and everything. So as you just move on to the sales order, here you can find the recently purchased quotations or sales order. Now let's choose the serial number over here, and as we have just enabled reorder from the portal again, you would be able to find a button called Order Again. So here you can see the product that is currently added, and the customer just need to make the order for the same item. And in order to just repurchase this item, let's click on Order Again, and let's add the item to the cart, and let's move on with the confirmation. And for that, you can just click on Yes, and we have to repeat the same process in order to make the checkout. So that's all about dealing with the reordering from portal in Odoo 17 website. Reordering from portal let the customers to purchase the item with a few clicks, which truly helps to save the time and effort of a customer. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage the reordering from portal in Odoo 17 website module. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.